In this video, I am going to show you how to cast Twitch to your TV. Watching your favorite Twitch streams on the big screen is easy with a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Use Google Chromecast. Connect your Chromecast to your TV and make sure it's powered on. Ensure that both your Chromecast and the device you're casting from, smartphone, tablet, or PC, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Cast Twitch from your smartphone or tablet. Open the Twitch app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap the cast icon in the upper right corner of the screen. It looks like a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves. Select your Chromecast device from the list. The Twitch stream will now appear on your TV. You can control the stream from your device. Step 3. Cast Twitch from your PC using Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your PC and go to the Twitch website. Play the stream you want to watch on your TV. In Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window to open the menu. Select Cast from the menu, choose Cast Desktop, and select your Chromecast device. Your PC screen will be mirrored to the TV, and you'll be able to watch Twitch on the big screen. Step 4. Using smart TV apps. Optional. If your TV has a Twitch app or is a smart TV, you can directly download and open the Twitch app on the TV and sign in with your account to start streaming. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.